welcome back.
I'm Cory.
And I'm Wallace.
And we're an early retired couple that are traveling the world. At the moment, we're in Kuala Lumpur.
And tonight we have come back to Jalan Alor Food Street in order to try something special tonight. Well, I'm going to be. It's not a gluten-free item. So this place doesn't open for a little while yet. So we're going to find some food here, especially something for Cory. Have a little bit of dinner before we go find this special stall and try this item.
We came back to restaurant Sai Wu, mainly because I felt really, really comfortable. And we've been here a couple more times. We just didn't film it. And one of the waiters that we had, his name was Alan. In the video that we did, we introduced Eddie, but Alan was another waiter. And he actually, it's been a couple weeks since we've been here. He came over remembering us by name.
Yeah, so super impressive, really friendly service here. And Alan, again, spoke perfect English, totally understood what gluten-free requirements were. So we feel very comfortable getting food for Cory here.
I have yet to get sick from here, so that speaks highly of it.
Yeah, so that's why we came back. We're going to get a little bit of food here and then move on to the next stall. So it is, of course, evening already because we're about to have dinner here. It's been a boring couple of days. We haven't been up to much, mostly working on editing YouTube videos today. We did go for a swim in the pool this afternoon, which was nice and refreshing. And now, just hanging out down here in Jalan Alor. I do love areas like this because it's so bustling and there's just so much delicious food available with very minimal effort. And it's all very, very reasonably priced, which is bonus.
Some people would argue it's a little too touristy for their taste. If they're looking more for like very authentic. Unfortunately, very authentic doesn't work for me, so I do need to stick to the touristy areas. So that's just a part of being gluten-free. It's one of the challenges that is going to be a continual thing. That's going to be really hard to allow myself to immerse into any culture.
Unfortunate, but yeah, it's just something we try and work around as best we can. And when we can't, that's okay.
Cook for ourselves.
Yeah, and we've done a lot of that too. All right, first couple of dishes have come. First on the menu today is baby gailan, sauteed with garlic. And this is basically Chinese broccoli. So that's what that looks like.
That's really good. You can really taste the garlic and stuff. This is one of our favorites. We often get it at home, but they did a really good job.
Yeah, it's tender because it's the baby version. So it's younger, more tender, really garlicky, really well cooked. And then, I've had this before. This is not gluten-free, but this is the salt and pepper squid. Deep fried to perfection. Lots of garlic, red onion, chilies, green onion, ginger, and absolutely delicious.
And I got a mango drink. It is fresh pressed, and you can taste all the pulp and stuff, and it's not sweet at all because I got no sugar.
And I went with watermelon juice. Again, unsweetened, just
both winners.
Freshly squeezed, really, really delicious.
And one thing, when you come, they give you a plate of fresh cut up watermelon for the table. So that's kind of a nice complimentary thing.
So a little refresher for after.
We tend to kind of get the same thing every time we come. So we got a whole roasted tilapia, or I guess banana leaf grilled.
Yeah, whole red tilapia grilled on a banana leaf with some spices and good. Oh yeah. That's cooked beautifully. right.
I think we're just gonna dig in and enjoy.
Restaurant Saiwu, as usual, a winner.
Yeah.
Delicious. And now we're on to stop number 2. Hopefully before it rains, because it's looking pretty dark all of a sudden.
I don't hear any thunder yet, so we might get lucky.
So this is Burger Boss, and we're about to get a RAMLY burger, which is a fairly famous thing to do here in Malaysia. RAMLY burger is actually a brand of burger patty because I guess the locals who are trying to eat halal don't trust the big chain restaurants like McDonald's and Burger King to actually do a halal burger. So they made their own. And this is one of the many stalls in the city that sell RAMLY burgers. So we're gonna give this a try here. Let's see what the menu looks like. So we got lots of different burgers, chicken burgers, crispy chicken burgers, hot dogs even. But I think today we're gonna try the classic, the special burger. What do you recommend? What's the specialty?
RAMLY or
RAMLY, a beef burger, like the special burger?
RAMLY?
Yeah. What do you think?
How many you want?
How many?
How many you want to get?
Just one burger. Yeah.
Beef or chicken?
Beef.
Okay lah, RAMLY, this one. Special double beef, double cheese. Very good.
Okay, let's try special double beef, double cheese.
You want here or take it?
Here. Yeah. Yeah.
Just something.
No drink. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Can I see them make it? Hello, how are you?
Yeah, how about you?
Good, so we're doing a special double beef, double cheese?
Special double beef, double cheese.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it. You want to eat here or take it?
Eat here. Yeah.
If you want to take a video, you can take it.
I'm in front? Okay.
Where you come from?
Canada.
No.
Yeah.
Same.
Yes, same.
I'm from Mexico.
Mexico?
Mexico. YouTube bro? YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. That's right. So we got the special burgers going on the grill right there, being cooked nice and fresh.
Hamburger.
Looks like some white pepper. All right, the buns have gone on the griddle to toast now. Burgers are done now, from the looks of it. Going off to the side to drain. Oh no, they just went into a looks like a bowl of or a pot of special gravy. What kind of sauce is that?
Cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce. Now the burger's been coated in a special gravy, going into the middle of that egg omelet. Nice melty slice of cheese right in on top of that. Followed by the second burger patty. Oh, even more cheese going on top. Now it's getting the sauce treatment. Looks like there was some lettuce and some chili sauce underneath. Some mayo. And that looks like cucumber, if I'm not mistaken. And more chili sauce. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Got my RAMLY burger here. As you can see from the process, it looks kind of crazy. Oh, geez, that's crazy. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Double meat, double cheese, all wrapped inside of an omelet with chili sauce, lettuce, cucumber, and a lot of sauce. Oh my goodness. This is going to be very difficult to eat. I gotta keep it in the wrapper here. So bear with me here, guys. Very big. Oh, it's spicy. That's different. It's super saucy. You really taste the egg and the cheese. It's spicy from the chili sauce and the white pepper. That's really good. That's a pretty crazy looking burger. There's a lot of flavors going on there. It's very different than what you would normally get in North America when you go to a burger joint. Very good though, made fresh right there. And would I get this again? Yeah, absolutely. Definitely would try that again. That was incredibly messy, but very tasty, very different. Definitely recommend you try a RAMLY burger if you're here in Kuala Lumpur. And Burger Boss right here behind me is the place to do it.
Come bro, everything for you.
I think that's it for today. Not much of a video today, but we've also just realized that we locked ourselves out of our apartment, so we're gonna go back and try to figure out how to get back in now that we don't have a key card with us.
We're 99% sure we left it in the room, so I don't think it's a big deal. We just got to figure out how to get into the room.
Yeah. What are you gonna do, right? Stuff happens. Just gotta roll with it. So thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this short video today. If you did, please hit the thumbs up to like it and subscribe to help us out.
And we hope that you'll join us in our next video for more adventures, and stay curious and keep exploring.